Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. There is no escape from economic slowdown analysis. http ntvforex.com News ID F96560 7/29/2028 54:58 AM. Review. U.S. stock indices ended down from 0.65% to 1.27% yesterday as investors mulled Senate Republicans' coronavirus stimulus package and a slew of very surprising earnings reports. The U.S. Republicans continued debating on its fiscal relief plan most of the day. The projected $1 trillion package will include another round of $1,200 payment checks and additional funds for small business loans. Large portion of reporting yesterday companies sadly missed their earnings figures, with most disappointments coming from 3M, McDonald's and even biotech Pfizer. Oil tumbled through the session, with West Texas Intermediate crude dropping as much as 1.5%, to $41.10 per barrel. Trends. McDonald's has always managed to scramble through recessions, posting strong financial numbers. This time was different. Wall Street expected McDonald's to report quarterly earnings at 74 cents per share on revenue of $3.68 billion, but McDonald's only managed to post its Q2 diluted earnings at 65 cents per share, dropping 67% from the same period a year ago and missing market estimates. As a result, McDonald's shares fell 2.5% to $196.24 at yesterday's market close. Also, contributing to bad news, the fast food chain's revenue in the past 3-month period dropped 30% on an annual basis to $3.76 billion. Meanwhile, operating income plunged 58% to $961 million. The company's global comparable sales also significantly fell by almost 24% amid sluggish demand caused by the coronavirus pandemic. This sad story suggests there is no escape from economic slowdown, and we must rethink the entire universe of formerly considered defensive instruments. Company. One of less talked about but more potent beneficiaries of this year's gold rally, Kinross Gold KGC, is scheduled to announce Q2 earnings results today, on July 29, after market close. The consensus EPS estimate is 13 cents and the consensus revenue estimate is around $1 billion, assuming a 20% growth year over year. Over the last 2 years, Kinross Gold has beaten EPS estimates 63% of the time and has beaten revenue estimates 50% of the time. Kinross is gaining from higher production at its 2 main deposit fields, that already had shown strong momentum in this year's first quarter. Strong production is likely to have continued in the second quarter. Further, gold prices have been soaring this year, making it the most attractive safe haven asset. Gold prices have gained around 13% in the second quarter, the highest quarterly percentage increase in more than 4 years. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.